guys, today I'm going to cook some cheese stuffed pasta shells. So let's get toasting. I've got some pre-made spinach and cheese manicotti here. You find these in the refrigerated section. It's a 19-ounce package. I think these cost about $7. So I'm just going to cook them in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. And there's 10 of these in a package. And if I cook half of them, it's just about right for me. And so then I can cook the other half for another meal. Actually, if you want to cook them all, you probably just put them like in a glass baking dish, and that would probably work fine as well. So those fit nicely in there, and then I'm just going to add, just kind of cover the bottom of the pan with water. So I don't know, maybe about a half a cup of water there, and then I'm just going to cover them with some pasta sauce. This is Classico family. And just cover these guys up with this. I've been eating these I've been buying these quite a bit lately because they're real easy to make. You know, they're pre-made, and for me, it makes 2 meals. So if I just cook half at a time, so something a little different. And they're, like I said, they're real easy to make. I'll just cook these in my toaster oven here. So that looks good. Now let's get them into the oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on them until they look done. It's been 30 minutes, so let's take a look here. That looks good. I think those are done. I sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on top there. Let's cut into one and see how it looks here. Still pretty hot. Hopefully I can taste it without burning myself. Looks good. Here we go. Those are good. Kind of similar to raviolis. Annie's got a pretty good tail wag going on. I guess we'll see what she thinks here. Will you take it right off the fork? Of course. So that's nice and easy. All you have to do is heat it up, really. And those are Pacific Coast brand, by the way. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.